And then what I want to do now is I'm going to switch to my red, same tip, number 2, and I'm going to fill in it's just like drawing, and you're kind of filling in the imprint you made. It's really going to be the easiest thing because I don't have to worry about Now, there are places where I can't put the cutter, and again, like I said, if you do it before you put it together, you can probably get the cutter in here and in here without wrecking your daisies, but the problem is then you have to kind of line it up when you try to put it on, and I don't want to have to do that. So I am going to freehand. Once you do a couple of these, you kind of get used to it anyway. I'm going to freehand a couple of them. When I get down below, there is going to be a ribbon that goes around the bottom of all 3 tiers. So it's not like I have to be perfect because some of it's going to be covered up. Okay, and then I can just continue on. It's okay if some of them overlap. Okay, now that I've finished piping my cake, I do want to reiterate that you start with the cutter and you need to imprint your entire cake because once you've piped on it, you can't go back and imprint or it'll pull your piping off. So make sure you imprint the entire cake and then start piping. The last thing I'm going to do on the cake itself is a border at the very base, and I've got the 2B tip, and I'm going to go ahead and just do a ribbon border. So I've got to figure out how I can do this so you can see it. You want to hold the tip at the base, and you just want to keep it against the cake, straight up and down. And even pressure. Okay. If you want, you can actually use a real ribbon, but I like to do everything in icing so I don't have to worry about it. So again. Okay, and then you want to do this on each of the tiers. So the next tier, try to keep your bag up so you don't drag it through your roses because you don't want to drag it down through the roses. You can repair anything you hurt. And then one more up here. So only the tip is against the cake. And then again, you want to go all the way around the base of your tiers.